In front of me is Vivo Y175 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one and set up an hour. When you finish, hit repeat to tap on days of the week and save them by choosing OK. Then tap on alarm sound. Click on one of those sounds. Get Spotify to use music from it. Or hit add new and tap on any song from your smartphone. Either way, when you finished, go back, hit label and name your alarm however you wish to. Then choose OK. To disable or enable haptic feedback, click on this switcher next to vibrate. And then tap on remind later to hit one of those options. When you finish, you need to tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on this check mark again. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!